Hey guys, welcome to the channel, taking the bathroom on place where you can place your gadgets in peace. On this channel, we do product reviews and also some tutorials. If you want to support the channel, go ahead and look in the description of the video and get one of our video courses, man. Our video courses is changing people's lives. Literally, I teach you how you can start your own internet business. No technical experience needed, guys. You just basically reselling hotspots. That's it, collecting money. And also, I show you how you can make 6 figures in a year just doing odd jobs, guys. I just lay it out and show you how to get your credit right and stuff like that. So, a lot of good information. Let's jump right into it. So, I want to do a quick unboxing of the DJI Mini 3. So, this is the Mini 3 Pro. And I want to do a quick unboxing of that. My first flight and all that is going to come soon. I'm going to try to drop the first flight video by the end of this week because you know I'm going on vacation. Yeah. So let's jump into the studio, guys, and put it on the workbench and see what we have in the box. Let's go. I'll be right back. All right, guys, here it is. It's finally in, the DJI Mini 3 Pro. Sorry, I'm not on DJI favorite list of social media influencers or YouTubers to be able to get a early drone, but I pay for this with my own money. As I told you guys in the other videos, I'm going on vacation soon, so I want to do a quick unboxing because I know I'm not going to have enough time to do a detailed review before vacation. So when I get back, I'm planning on making some content. All right. So on the top of the box, guys, they have like a little barcode that say scan me with the DJI Mini 3 app, so you can learn how to fly it. But you can see right here inside you have the drone itself. Take that out, put that to the side. We're gonna look at that a little later. And you see they have like this indentation right here. You can just put your finger in there to pull that out. All right. And we have the controller inside of there. And as you can tell, if you're familiar with the Mini 3, you know that you have different options. That's the RC1 controller. That's the one with the built-in screen. I believe that's the name of the RC1. And underneath, guys, we have, you know, the usual stuff that you need for your drone, right? So we have a USB-C cable. We have the propellers, right? Some extra propellers. Okay, a little screwdriver come in there because you have to screw your propellers on. What else we have up in here? Of course, we have our little books and stuff for us to read, our manuals and stuff. Especially if this is your first drone, guys. You want to make sure that you're reading your information and you're watching a lot of YouTube videos, detailed YouTube videos. I like to watch videos that's about 20 minutes long or more whenever I'm getting a new device that I'm unfamiliar with. So whatever I can't figure out in the manual, I probably didn't watch 20 to 50 other individuals talk about the issue that I'm trying to figure out with a new device. So let's have a quick look at the controller, guys. Again, this is just a quick unboxing. And you can see right here, this controller is absolutely beautiful. It feels very good. In the back, you can see you have your little thumb controllers right here. You take this off, your little joysticks. You take that off back there, you screw it onto the front. Again, I don't want this video to be too long. You have some buttons back here, probably customizable. Look like you got like a little fan or a little heat vent or something back here. Of course, at the top, you have these little wheels, probably going to be for your gimbal and digital zoom. Of course, you have your picture and your video record. All right. And of course, your power on. So DJI products, I can't even talk today. You usually press it one time, then you hold it long, and then it comes on. So I just want to get a quick look at the screen, all right? I want to see if it's sharp. Not so much the brightness, but is it sharp, all right? How long does it take to come on? Do the drone have to be on, etc.? So here we go right there. So it look like it enters into the setup process. And now we want to have a look at the main event, the drone. And again, I apologize. This is just a quick unboxing. We're not doing any detailed specs or anything. We're just doing a quick peek of what comes inside the box. That's the drone right there. One of the things I can tell you that this drone is very, very small. I know that people are always doing comparisons to drones, but this is the iPhone Max, and you can see that it is bigger than this drone. And this is the iPhone 12 Max, I should say. You can see that the drone literally can sit on my phone, guys. Literally can sit on my phone. Matter of fact, let me see if I get this camera up in here so you guys can see that from a different angle. You see that? It's literally fits on top of my Apple phone, guys. Like, real talk. Look at that. Look at that. Look at my phone. Look. Turn the light on my phone so you can see and get some type of there you go. I'm trying to talk. I can't talk today, and I'm trying to work this camera. I apologize, guys. So we can get some type of reference, okay? So that's it right there. That's the drone. Look at that. Absolutely amazing, guys. So a couple of things about the drone right quick is that we know that it's small, okay? We can see that it have like a gimbal cover, sensors at the bottom, right? We can see it has some sensors at the bottom. All right, see you have, look like 2 sensors in the front right here, 2 sensors in the back. I did order the Fly More combo that haven't came in yet. In the back, you're gonna have, look like a SD slot. Yes, an SD slot, and you're going to charge it with a USB-C. You have your battery back here. You can tell how much power you have in your battery. Pressing the button, you can see that this looked like it came dead. All right. But I don't recommend turning on the drone with the gimbal case on anyway, or cover on anyway. So yeah, guys, we're gonna get more into this drone. I just wanted to unbox it and see what all came into the box, all right? So stay tuned. All right, guys, there you have it. Welcome back. So we went ahead and we unboxed it, and that's everything that you have in there. Now, I would say the drone definitely overheats. Maybe because I was going through the setup process and it was idle so long, but when I was just fidgeting around after I set it up, I just fidgeting around with it. I got this indicator saying that, hey, the drone is hot and it cut itself off. So that's the first issue I came across. The build quality, man, is really, really light. It almost feels like a toy to me. I own several DJI drones in the past and other drones in the past. The build quality is not there with this plastic or whatever, but we'll see how I perform when it get in the air. It just feel it's light, so I'm thinking it's gonna break. Maybe because I just made this investment, but we'll see, guys. It's your boy taking the bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm gonna try to drop my first flight video by the end of the week, because you know we're going on vacation. Yeah! So I probably won't be doing detailed content, probably just dropping some short videos and stories and stuff while I'm on vacation and stuff like that. It's your boy taking the bathroom. Until next time, peace. Don't forget to subscribe, guys. If you don't have one, guys, I think with the technology that you're getting, I think that's a steal, but we'll see from the first flight. Let's get it.
Don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification button so you can be up to date with all of my latest videos.